I hate New York. Alright. We're gonna put a lift kit.
Literally not enough room to get into that corner.
Well, got one done. Alright, here we are with the Scion XB derby build. I just picked up a set of tire tubes, give us a little extra luck if possibly not blowing tires right away. Got the glass out, tail lights out. We're actually in the middle of building a lift kit. You're gonna love this. I don't know if you can see it, but let me turn the flash on. See up in there? Some bolts welded in the springs to make it so it lifts it. Hopefully it lasts. Today I gotta get the headlights out, start painting it. She's gonna be about ready. I gotta weld the door shut and I gotta make a sail for the roof. These tires should be a lot better too. Pretty meaty. We were considering moving the battery, but after watching some video of the previous events that they had, I didn't see too many cars that took huge hits to the front end, so I think we're gonna be okay. Another thing that's sketchy, if I take a hit with my throttle wide open, it's literally the cable's right at the front of the car. Seems like a bad idea, so we might try to build something around that to make it protected, so I don't either lose throttle or get stuck wide open throttle. I mean, I'd rather get stuck wide open, honestly, and then I can just like use the brake to slow down. Building the craziest hood scoop ever. Subaru style. All right. It's a Subaru hood and Subaru door skins.
So I asked, how many tacos? What do you want? How many tacos do I need to return?
Yeah, we're painting. I'm gonna be doing this process kind of like how you would a dirt car. I'm gonna get some of the undercolors saved, do black, and then do black with white numbers along the side with multi different like shades of gray and dark black to make this thing really pop. Mid paint. So pull the tape off, it should be a lot better. We're all getting high as fuck in here. Alright. Ready for stickers. Well, we've officially destroyed this thing. I'm hoping that tomorrow I'll be able to get the stickers on. Kyle's coming to start prepping the Saturn. We don't have as big of plans for that. That's going to be more of a standard just demo derby car, paint it, get some stickers on it, and go from there. This one we're trying to win Best of Show at the Derby. It's a $100 reward for whoever comes up with the most creative and crazy car. I say this has got a good chance. Huge thanks to Bill for doing most of the fabrication while I was running around working. He's done a ton of derbies and most of these are his ideas. For more content to see how this comes out with all the stickers, like and follow, please subscribe. Thanks guys, bye.